Hey up guys, I know it's been a while since my last video. I did say that I was going to bring some more to you. My last video I showed you that I had several locks that I got from eBay. I've been trying to have a play about with a few of them. The problem I'm having is the 6-pinners, the Yale locks, and in fact I think it's this one here. I'm having massive issues with it, including I broke my first pick, which I'm not too happy about, so I went online and decided to order a new set from Sparrows. Hopefully that'll be here soon, but until then I think we'll progress with this WMS lock. It's a 5-pinner. I got lots of keys with it. Does work. Nice. Well, not nice, it's very sloppy, but I only paid £1 for this lock, so can't complain. So I think we'll just lock it up and get it in and get it picked for you. Sorry about that. There we are. Trying to set up so that I'm not in your way here. Right, so it is locked. Not too sure what to make of this lock, to be honest. I don't know if it's cheap and nasty or if it's just had a hard life outside. Not too sure. Could probably do with some lubrication in there, but see how we get on. Thing I've been learning with these, the door locks, specifically these Euro cylinders, is if you can't get it first time, just keep going and going and going until you get it eventually. You'll learn what you need to do about each lock. Right, so I've got a bit of a false set on now. Quite a heavy false set, but I don't think there's any security pins in here. I think it's just this lock's quite a lot of slop involved in there, because I've barely got any tension on this at all. I think I just overset pin 5 there. Start again. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, something dropped in the front. I think it's pin 3. pin 1, three, pin 5. Oh, there we go. Looks like pin 2 and pin 4 were quite low set. There we are. Not too bad. Oh, I should have actually shown you the key. Sorry, you can tell it's been a while since my last video. Here's the key here. Hold on a second. May as well use the old pick to show you. It's not exactly deep, but high, low, high, low, high, low. Yes, not too bad at all. So we can put that one in the done pile. It's a very small pile at the minute, but I'll work my way through these locks and hopefully get another lock out to you soon. Thank you all for watching.